Hi, Tom Gerber here at MarineMax Cocoa. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the new 2026 Sea Ray 23 SDX Outboard. As you can see, it's a new design. It's got the beautiful black hull side color with the white bottom. Also got a power sports tower on this. It's a really nice feature on this boat. You can see the clean lines of this boat. It rides really nice. This is the top of the line on the SDX. This boat is powered by a white Mercury 250 four-stroke. Beautiful boat. Lovely lines on this boat. Like I said, she rides really nice. We're going to jump up on board and take a look at some of the features on this boat. Well, now that we're on board this beautiful 23-foot Sea Ray, you can see the interior and how nice it is. Very spacious, a lot of seating. This is the new design. A little bit has changed since last year's models. Beautiful stone interior. Lots of storage. Now this boat does have the full storage compartment that lifts up back here. Plenty of storage. Seat backs are reversible. So when you're lounging at the sandbar, people can be stretched out and all talking together while you're right here. You've also got the pop-up bolsters on both sides of these seats so that when you're running, you can actually use it as like a leaning post. It's a little more comfortable that way. It's got the twin Simrad GPS units in the dash on this one. What's really cool about this boat is the new head system down here. You open this up, and you slide this door open, and you can see how spacious it is in there. You can actually, a nice place to have kids rest or something during the day. Lots of room with the head. Privacy by closing the door. Just a nice design. Moving forward, you can see it's got the sun pad option up there that fills in the whole bow area, so it's all one nice sun pad. Really nice. Separate anchor locker up there, speakers. This boat has like 6 or 8 speakers in it. It's really nice. Fusion stereo system, Bluetooth. Need to stop down and take a look at this beautiful 2026 230 SDX Sea Ray.